now we're going to open the body cavitation. Okay,
yes, on the home page, you can choose the handle you want to use on the home page. This is a touching screen. Okay, the touching screen.
Okay, so right now we can do like rolling on your belly or up and down, or left and right, okay? So if you do it on your waistline, you can do it use one of your hands to pull it in and then you go in, okay? So usually we do it like this, and then when you are doing the machine, you will get a little bit of the tinnitus, but it's totally normal because of the ultrasonic, okay? So it's simply do it like this, especially on our lower belly, women will get a little bit, how to say, the little lower belly here, right?
Yes, and also you can feel. What do you feel? How do you feel?
How do you feel? I feel cold. Yeah, this one is a little bit cold. And also, I will get the tinnitus, okay, because of the ultrasound. Okay, but relax, it's totally normal. So you do it for 30 minutes, okay? You do it for 30 minutes, okay? And remember, when you're doing this, after you're doing this, you're going to drink a lot of water because this one will help you to improve the metabolism, so the fat cells will come out of your body in the front of urine, okay? So you're going to drink a lot of water while you are doing this machine.